Hello everyone, I am going to show POC how to manage agnostic environments from one control point by Salt Master of Masters approach using Salt Syndic. For this I have prepared three environments. One environment is control plane and the others two are edge clouds. To show use case when we have one environment with deployed OpenStack and another one which is going to be deployed with Kubernetes. The first is an environment where is Salt high-level master had been already installed. The second edge cloud is an environment where OpenStack had been already installed as well. This environment. And the third edge cloud is the environment where Kubernetes is going to be installed. Let's call the environment bare metal or predefined or whatsoever. This environment. So, as we can see, there is only 1 million connected to the master, and it's the same node. Let's go to the OpenStack environment. As I've said before, there was installed OpenStack. However, Salt Master doesn't have connection to Master of Masters, and Salt Syndic process is not running. To switch the environment to the control plane, we need to execute salt state with enable class and then run salt syndic state to perform all actions including run salt syndic process. This state includes host name which have to be defined, class and two parameters. The first parameter is the IP address of Master of Masters, and second one shows syndic is enabled or not. Let's check the pillar. Okay, then run salt syndic state. As we can see, syndic process are running, and OpenStack environment has been connected to this Master of Masters or control plane. Let's go to the Kubernetes environment and join this one to the control plane as well. For this we have to perform the same set of procedure. Syndic are not running, and pillar is empty. We have to define another config node because this is another edge cloud, but IP address and syndic enable value will remain the same. Okay. syndic process are running, and okay, let's go to control plane, and as we can see, there is connected minions from Kubernetes environment. So currently both edge clouds are connected to our control plane. Therefore, from that point, we can operate both syndic environment as a regular minion. We can target any commands, states, functions, etc. using salt compound targeting feature. For example, we can get some data from all nodes. Or we also can use compound mode. Can send some command only for config node. Or for example, we can send command only to one edge cloud. For example, using cluster domain, let's say. Let's send pin to Kubernetes environment. Okay, we already came up to the deployment of Kubernetes environment. To deploy the environment, I'm going to use Jenkins pipeline as a orchestrator and define cluster domain as extra targeting prefix. We have to use a targeting prefix because of the fact if we don't use this, all this command can be sent for both environment. So let's start. I'm going to pause the recording, not to wasting. So let's start. As you can see, deployment has been started, and I'm going to pause the recording for some time, not to wasting time of the record. Hello again. Kubernetes environment has been deployed successfully. As you can see, all stages and we can operate both environment from one single control point. We can use sole targeting with pillar grains, domain name, prefix. We can combine mm, any variables, so we have quite wide range of queries to our nodes from master of masters. For example, let's let's send some command only for control nodes, for all control nodes. For control nodes and for all control nodes. We also can use pillar for our query. It seems there is wrong pillar. Wrong pillar. Kubernetes. Okay. Kubernetes pull or Kubernetes control. Again, wrong pillar. Run app add. Or for example, we can send sync command for every nodes in which are connected to the master of masters. We can, for example, we need to install a package, some package only mm, only for nodes which have pillar Kubernetes pool and each node from OpenStack cluster. There was wrong domain name for OpenStack. Okay, package has been installed. Now we can connect to node which has pull, for example, is KTL CTL01 htop. Okay, package install. Okay, install the package for nodes which belong to Kubernetes pool pillar, and for all nodes from edge cloud with OpenStack. And the same way we can send command only, let's say for OpenStack con control node 01 edge cloud. Okay, great. So, and this one, Kubernetes control cmd run kubectl. Let's check. Okay, Kubernetes kubectl describe all. So it seems something wrong with the command, but anyway. In the final stage of the demo, uh, I'm going to switch off the environment from the control plane. For this, go to the environment and execute the following salt states. Just need to change true to false, and then so syndic uh, salt syndic should be disabled. Well, as you just seen, join and leave environment from the control plane is a really easy procedure. It can be performed as for installed, as for new environment as well, or we can join um, any environment just to add um, class, and then we can operate the environment from our control plane. So and in addition, I'd like to pay your attention that there was used a different salt version, control plane salt 2017 and Edge Clouds 2018. So that's all. Uh, Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.